They have got a triaxle one, the chap was telling me. A 20-foot cut, and that's a 2264 John Deere combine. And the tractor and trailer, we've got a 7530 John Deere tractor with the grain trailer, which is 16 ton. Yeah, he's just filled it up, now he's taking it back to the farm to be kept up. Yes, I think I'll soon have to make a move. It's 8:15 in the evening now. I'll just get him coming up the field and that'll be it. Yeah, there's a bit of dust there, isn't there? Yeah, look, that's the sea in the background over there. That's St Oaks. Yeah, there's the sea, look. Yeah, they're packing up for the night now. It's got a bit damp. I was just speaking to the tractor driver and he said with the old sea air down here, because it's only just over the back end of the sea, that make it damp. And they don't start too early in the morning over, he reckon. They're carting this right down to Great Bromley. This is where their main farm is. We're down in Lawshall, which is in Suffolk. Today's date is the 4th of August 2015. He's combining right there. It's a John Deere 6920S with a class combine 770 Traction. Yeah, got his ladder on the back. Suppose he need that if he's got a clamber on top there. Down at Long Melford, that's in Suffolk. We've got a Case 7120 combine here. Yeah, look, he's charting it all up. So there's a dusty. Here come the tractor and trailer. Pick up the load. We've got a Ford this time. Yeah, we've got a New Holland T6080 with a probably 14-15 ton trailer. Yeah, he's combining wheat here. That's about a 30-foot cut. Today's date is the 4th of August 2015. No, sorry, this is barley. This is barley they're combining, not wheat. This is a big John Deere, this one. It's an S69OI. It's on tracks, look, tracks at the front, wheels at the back. And I would say that's at least a 35-foot cut, if not a 40. We've got a John Deere tractor, a 6150R with a grain trailer, which I imagine is about 12 to 14 ton, I reckon. Yeah, he's flashing his orange lights. That's telling the tractor driver who's got the trailer to come and unload him. He's got a full tank. We're getting close to it. Yeah, it is a 2013 combine. I see the number plate on the back when it's going up the field. Place called Rye, which is just outside Bury St Edmunds. The day's date is the 15th of August, no sorry, the 21st of August 2015. We've got a big John Deere on tracks. It's an 8370 RT and it's drilling rapeseed. This is a brand new John Deere 2015 and that's a brand new drill. So we've got a brand new outfit here. Yeah, I reckon that's about 25 foot wide, that is. I don't know how many rows it's set though. Down at Stanbourne. Yeah, it's nice to see these older combines. Like I say, I think that's only about a 16-foot cut on this one. We're down at Steeple Bumstead, which is in Essex. That's near Haverhill. Ferguson 64-65 model, and it's pulling 4th hour reversible plough. They sound rather beefy. Yeah, that's a 4-wheel drive. That's a 04 model, or number, year, 04. So that's reasonably old. Right. Yeah, we're down at Wickenbrook. That's in Suffolk. The day's date is the 22nd of August 2015. Yeah, just unloading the trailer. We've got a nice young lady driving the tractor and trailer, which I just had a word with. Dad's on the combine. We've got a class combine. It's a Lexion 480 model, and it's a 25-foot cut. Yeah, like I said, that's a 25-foot cut. That's a 410 horsepower engine, and this model is the first one to have tracks on it. Yeah, this is father and daughter team, this is. Yeah, she's loaded it up, she's taking it back now to the farm, I suppose. Yeah.